We are going to turn this clay and this slab into a plate. I'm going to take 2 wooden sticks to know the thickness that I want, and I'm going to take the rolling pin. I'm going to start from the middle and roll out the slab. I'm going to give it some texture where I have taken this peel it out. I have a melamine plate which I have covered with plastic, or else the clay will stick to the plate. I'm going to approximately measure it. So I'm going to just approximately cut it into the measurement. Gently going to dab it to make the form. Then remove the extra clay. Once this is dried from the mold, we'll be able to take it out, and after firing and glazing, this is the kind of product that you will end up with. Keep watching Decorxp for more vibrant ideas and your DIY projects. Happy learning!